Welcome to a new video. Today I provide a new Gearbest Gadget liquid plastic universal quick repair glue pen which you can buy online from the link in the description. Let's get started. Main features: high quality PP material, durable, stylish look, quickly repaired, just 5 seconds needed. UV light cures the liquid plastic to create an everlasting bond to any surface, plastic, wood, ceramic, metal, glass, etc. Power, 2XCR 2032 button batteries, included. Unlike glue and common adhesives, the liquid plastic welding compound makes permanent seals and repairs as it hardens immediately in UV light. It can be used on plastic, wood, ceramic, metal and glass. That's mean you can fix all in your daily lives. No time waste anymore. Smile. You have to follow 3 steps for the Pankasi to work. 1. Apply liquid plastic. 2. Cure with UV light. 3. Fixed and bound well. If you are interested in this product, I provided a link in the description. You just have to open that link and buy it online. Smile. That's it from this video. Hit subscribe and bell icon to get our latest video notifications. Smile.